Hey guys, it's me Kayla, and today I don't really know what to do for the video, so I'm really just gonna walk around and yeah, I'm gonna see what happens. So I think that you see that right there. Yeah, let me get like a good angle of this. That's my little kitty. Her name is Mittens. She's the mommy kitty. See? This is the first cat I've had. She's the mommy, and she's so cute. Okay, so, okay. So I don't really know what to do for today's video. She might be coming with me. She might not be. I don't know what to do. There's all the dogs running out here, so I just want to see if I can find her. Are you gonna come with me or not? She's so cute. I think you can see her if I zoom in. Let me see. If I zoom in, there she is. She's laying on the ground. She is just adorable. Okay. Back onto me. Just kind of awkward. Ow! Oh my god! Oh, butthead. Okay. So, yeah, she's probably gonna stay back there. I don't really know what to do for today's video, but, I guess I'm walking around. Yeah, there's not much to do right now. I mean, starting a YouTube channel, you can't really do much. I mean, yeah, there are things that you can do, but like, yeah, it's just weird. I mean, this is my third video, and I'm also going to be starting to number my videos, and here's my cat. Come here. Okay, let me get back on you. Oh, we're super unfocused. Okay, so she has a lot of pollen on her. She looks so shiny. Are you a good girl? Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm going to be showing you guys her babies soon, because she had 6 baby kittens, and I'm thinking of doing Kayla's kittens, where I just sit with my baby's cats, and I'm just gonna do things. I mean, I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. There's 6 of them. I'm gonna try to find one and see if it lets me hold it, because sometimes they're in a good mood and sometimes they're just so yeah. I think I just heard one of them. Not hurt, but heard. So there's 6 of them. Let me see if I can come and get a cat. Okay. Here's some of them. They're beautiful little babies. Hi. They have the beautiful, cutest eyes, and her mom just stepped over her. Okay. Hi. You guys are so cute. Yes. Oh, your throat sounds horrible. Maybe you're hungry. So yeah, gonna feed it some food. Let me see if its bowl's empty. Yep, full of water, no food. Yeah, so I'm really just gonna be doing that, and I'll see you when I'm done with that. So, just gonna pause. Well, it's kind of awkward. No mittens. No. No, you can't go in there. Being a mother is hard. You want some food? You shouldn't be in here. No! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come on! You want some food? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. It's not really easy to control this one. But I got it. I mean, okay. Gonna give you some food now. Hi. I'm not sure if you're able to see my face in this, but I might have to do this to see my face. The sun is so bright right now. I need to move. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that, but that's 2 of the baby cats. I think that might be 3. No, that's just 2. That is so cute. Look at this. 2 of the cutest little ones, the little tigery ones. And then the mommy. You're so cute. Okay, let me see if I can find the other ones. I think I just heard a squirrel or something. There they are. They're my little baby boos. So yeah, I think that might be the end of this video. I mean, there's nothing really to do anymore. Might be doing some art soon. Yeah, I'm also getting a new bike. So I might start doing bike rides. So I'll put you in my little basket and I'll just ride my bike and talk. Maybe that will be my own special thing. I was gonna call it Kayla's Kittens, but what am I gonna do with baby cats? I mean, I could put them in the little basket with my camera, but I mean, like, it's gonna be kind of weird and scary. So I think it's just going to be bike rides with Kayla. Even though this doesn't start with a K, I think that would be fine. Yeah. Well, I don't really know what to do now besides tell you guys to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys later. Bye.